Jake. That's right here.
Of course that doesn't come.
Yeah, I didn't even freaking know we only had 2 respawns. I already died like 3 times. I heard you asking about it. I'm like, wait a minute. We're only supposed to have 2 respawns?
Yeah.
Damn.
See, look at it. Look at their cover.
Yeah, they've got cover.
Like those barrels barely even do anything.
There was that one barrel right there. I was going to run up to it and I'm like, I'm not going down there.
Look at that.
I'm from Merced and I play at somebody's house like regularly and shit on private property. And it's like in a little junkyard thing and there's always one side that has way more cover than the other.
Yeah, this is it.
This reminded me of home. Except instead of junk cars, it's boxes and pallets.
You see how it's all like cover over there?
Yeah, look at that.
Right there, it's like nothing.
We got 3, and then everybody's behind the box.
And then all the other cover is like 20 feet away.
So
there's no time to run on it.
It's in the damn dead zone.
This is the sad side.
That one dude we were talking to with the EOD thing, he has a good gun though.
Yeah.
I played with him at Hill 559. A Hill 559. Yeah, I can't afford a GoPro.
Neither can I.
Like, I got this flip, it still works, I'm using it.
Here, hold on.
I need a freaking haircut.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And I got hit too.
Oh, okay.
Where's Pablo?
Okay, when Ricky comes, you can use his other one. Fuck, Ricky comes. Sometimes I need it.
I'm getting pounded back, man.
Dude, there's no cover on this side. What are you supposed to? Yeah, it's like drums, so.
You get killed with something?
Yeah.
Det är sånt här liv.
Dang, polar stars.
Man. After 6, I hit one. Yeah, I have hit someone.
Right now, I just walk away. Like, even if I didn't get hit, I just walk away to end this.
I know.
Because look at this. Look.
I don't know how they're all
our side.
holding out. Is this 3 people? Is that what's left?
I think this one
one, two, and I think there's one in the,
inside.
Yeah, and then there's a couple people back there, but I mean.
I was getting hit. I didn't even know where it was coming from. It seemed like I was getting shot from this direction.
Yeah, I know.
Like I got hit in the forearm, right forearm, like from this direction. I'm like,
I got hit in the face.
I guess I gotta call that out.
You hit in the face?
Yeah, I got hit right here, but
Yeah. How you like these work good for you? Yeah, I like them too. I was gonna get the full face shield thing at one point, but
no.
That's up to them, man. If not, I guess
Kind of looks like a skinnier version of Eddie.
Is he?
Yeah, how are we gonna balance the team? Huh? I was on the
A
side.
spider flying across my face. And I picked it up and put it on the ground.
I gotta record you. It's for our videos.
Yeah, weight and everything. I'll put it that way.
I'm so jealous.
What was it? Get in there.
Wait, are we doing the whole field?
And you brought that.
Yeah, let's do it at Pole Stars, man. Hey Jeff, there's the site that I like.
Sick.
Excuse me. Where'd you buy that site?
Carrie?
Carrie, is it
Alright
the
guys,
legitimate?
circle up. We're gonna do CVAT, Apollo, and Delta.
It's freaking
And
sweet.
everybody
Is it
else.
the real steel one?
No.
No?
It has, it's a replica of it. It has like more trades than I've ever seen on anything ever.
No, Nice.
Like it
that's
came in a
legit.
freaking JojiCon box
Come
and
box and
everything.
everything.
Wow.
I've been wanting that sight ever since I played Medal of Honor Warfare.